Before you scroll, answer this. If I paid you $100 for every hour you don't touch your phone, would you still use it this much? Yeah, that's what I thought. Because the truth is, your phone isn't just a device, it's a distraction machine. Every time you unlock it, you're not just checking notifications, you're giving away your focus. And focus is how money's made. See, rich people don't waste attention, they invest it. But you're stuck in a loop. Scroll, dopamine, repeat. Scroll, dopamine, repeat. And while you're busy watching other people win, you're losing time you'll never get back. Let me show you something crazy. Just 2 hours a day on your phone, that's over 700 hours a year. That's almost a full month of your life gone. Now imagine this. Same phone, same internet, same 24 hours. But instead of scrolling, you learn a skill. You build something, you grow. That's the difference between staying broke and actually getting ahead. Because here's what no one tells you. These apps are designed to keep you addicted, not successful. They don't care about your goals. They care about your attention. Because your attention is their money. So every second you scroll, they get richer. And you stay exactly where you are. Now listen carefully. Your phone is not the problem. The way you use it is. It can either distract you or build your future. It can either waste your life or change it completely. Your choice. And if you're still watching this, you already know what you've been doing wrong. So the next time you pick up your phone, ask yourself, is this making me money or making me poor? And that answer, it might change everything.